Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2018 HINO 268A. It's a truck we hadn't had in a while. It's got air brakes with spring ride, 230 horse, fully serviced. Before we jump into that walk around, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our used trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from. We go through the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires, any discrepancies that we find, we run them through our medium shop and through our body shop. Once that's done, we QC test drive, get them ready to put online for our customers to take a look at. Again, really nice 268A. It is a 25950 GVW. It is under CDL, air brake, spring ride, fully serviced, pre-qualified for the AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb inside, plenty of grab handles. We've got a really nice air suspension driver's captain's chair for the driver. We've got a two-person bench seat, so if you need to put a crew of three in here, you can. We've got the great outward visibility and pretty good upward visibility too with the sloped hood that the HINO has. We've got the AM/FM CD player, air conditioned cruise control. The large mirrors are controlled by that, so your driver can adjust them from the driver's seat, which is a really nice safety option. They're also heated, so on those mornings where you got frost or dew on the mirrors, you can turn them on, they'll heat up and the mirrors will clear off quicker. You got the diesel automatic transmission. Of course, we said it had the air brakes. And even though this is a 2018 year model truck, you can take a look at it. It's very nice, clean, very well taken care of and maintained, so it'll be a good truck for you to put your guys in, start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. There's a lot of people that don't know this, but HINO is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a HINO, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at box trucks, they're beat up. This truck's in really good shape, not real creased up. Corner caps are in good shape. We've got good rubber all the way around. It's got two brand new front tires on it. As we said, it is air brake. We come back here to the back, we've got a really nice 3,000 pound level ride lift gate. It's got cart stops on it. It's 80 inches wide, 60 inches deep. This is a really big platform for a typical tuck-away gate. It starts in the slope position. It comes up to level. So when you're going up, it stays level. Most of your tuckaways will sway to the outside some. This one stays perfectly level. Meets up at the top just like it should. We've got a 26-foot, 103 tall, 102 wide van body. We've got the 2 rows of E-track, and we can add more E-track if you need to in our body shop. We've got the Apatong slats, the Apatong hardwood scuff, and all of it goes around to the front and comes back around. Most bodies don't have it across the front. Nice roofs in really good shape, aluminum roof. LED light for those late evening, early morning deliveries, and the laminated hardwood floor for a 2018 is in really good shape, ready to start making you money with. This lift gate is also powered down, so it's got a controlled descent instead of just a free flow. Again, it comes down and then it goes back down so you can offload. Here at Industrial Power, a lot of people come in looking for trucks. They really don't know what they're looking for. The smaller 14, 16, 18 bodies are the big 26 footers. Right now, we've got some 16, 18 footers and a few of these 26 footers. And we hadn't had an air brake truck in a while, so this is a little bit of a unicorn for us. This truck's in really good shape, but we can still take and wrap the cab and the body of this truck with your name, phone number, graphic design, turn into that fuel money into advertising money while you're riding down the road. Again, really nice HINO 268A, air brake, spring ride, fully serviced, pre-qualified for that AGWS extended warranty. You can go to our Facebook page, our website, and make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to pop the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.